Welcome to visit Chill English Flow channel for learning English conversation. Jack and Sophia. Thank you.
Welcome to Chill English Flow. If you want to learn English in a relaxed and natural way, you're in the right place. My goal is to help you improve your English.
English conversation practice. A trip to the mall.
Hey, Sophia, how's it going?
Not too bad, but my wardrobe is feeling a little boring lately. I think I need to do some shopping.
You can say that again. I was just thinking the same thing. I need some new shirts for work.
That's a perfect topic for our conversation today. Shopping is something everyone does, and there are so many useful English phrases to learn.
Great idea. Let's create a conversation as if we're on a shopping trip right now. And for everyone watching, please subscribe if you want more practical lessons like this.
Okay, so where should we go shopping?
How about we go to the mall? They have a lot of different stores all in one place.
Sounds like a plan. I need to look for a new pair of jeans.
And I need some casual shirts. Let's pretend we've just arrived at the mall.
Okay, look at this department store. Let's go in here first.
Good idea. It's huge. Where should we start?
I'm just gonna browse for a little while. I'm not looking for anything specific yet.
Browsing is a great word. It means you're just looking around without a definite plan to buy.
Exactly. Oh, look at the sweater. What do you think of this?
The color is nice, but the style is not really my taste.
Not my taste is a polite way to say you don't like something.
Right. Hey, check out these shirts over here. They're on sale.
Ooh, a sale is always good. That blue one would look great on you.
You think so? Let me see. What size is this?
Let's look at the tag. It says it's a medium.
Perfect. I think I'll try this on.
Okay, now I'm gonna find the women's section. I need to find those jeans.
All right, I'll meet you by the fitting rooms in a bit.
Okay, I found the jeans section. There are so many styles. It's a bit overwhelming.
At this point, you might need help from a salesperson. What would you say, Sophia?
I would find a sales associate and say, "Excuse me, could you help me?"
That's the perfect way to get someone's attention politely.
Then I would ask, "I'm looking for straight leg jeans."
And if they show you a pair you like, but it's not the right size?
I'd ask, "Do you have this in a size 8?
What if they don't have it?
They might say, "Let me check in the back for you."
Or, I'm sorry, it looks like we're sold out of that size.
Once I have the right size, I'd ask, "Where are the fitting rooms?"
Okay, so let's pretend we're at the fitting rooms now. I have my shirt.
And I have my jeans. Okay, I've tried them on. How does it look?
Let me see. Wow, it fits you perfectly.
You think so? I'm not sure. It feels a little too tight.
Maybe you should try the next size up. How's my shirt?
The color is great and it looks very comfortable. You should definitely get it.
I think I will. It's a good deal. Are you getting the jeans?
I'm on the fence. It's a bit more expensive than I wanted to spend.
On the fence is a great idiom meaning you can't decide. Well, if you're not sure, maybe it's better to wait.
You're right. I think I'll pass on them for now. Let's go pay for your shirt.
Okay, we're at the checkout counter. I'll say, "Hi, I'd like to buy this, please."
The cashier might ask, "Will that be cash or card?"
I'll say, "Credit card, please." It's also a good idea to ask, "What is your return policy?"
That's a very smart question, just in case you change your mind later.
And that's it. From browsing to buying, we've covered the whole process.
We hope these sentences help you on your next shopping trip. What's your favorite thing to shop for? Let us know in the comments.